right guys, a Toyota Camry, and a pretty dirty one too. Now all jokes aside, this car has some serious filth and damage to it. So without further noise, let's get right to it.
Starting with the exterior, I mean this car is just in absolute terrible shape. I mean these wheels are just completely scratched up. The paint is also rusting away with the dozens of rock chips. Now aside from a few bumps and scratches, the exterior is definitely in pretty solid shape. And although these are things I can't necessarily fix, the interior is another story. So taking a look at the interior here for the first time, I just instantly noticed all the mulch and trash and bottles laid over everywhere. So this car has definitely been used in the past in various different ways, and you're definitely going to want to see the end result here because this car just came out stunning. Now getting to the front section here, we definitely have some dirt and debris here on these carpeted sidewalls. And there's a few pieces of dirt and grime and junk on the front and passenger driver's side. Now keep in mind this car has over 250,000 miles on it, and I'm cleaning it in 30-degree weather. So definitely hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. So starting off here with a pre-rinse, I'm kind of basically getting an inspection of what needs to be done. And I'm also just getting the main dirt and grime off. I'm even going under the car here and getting all the dirt and debris off from the bottom, since we live in a place where we see a lot of salt roads, and just kind of getting the tires soaked as well. So I've got my foam can here, and I've gone ahead and added some chemical guys clean slate to the solution besides the soap. This way, if there's any leftover wax or anything left over in the paint, the clean slate will definitely get it off. So now using the 2-bucket method, I'm starting to wipe down the car with my wash mitt and get moving along. So now I'm starting to remove the mats, clean them out, and begin the interior clean.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side. My love, you say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
invincible.
guys go. That was a Toyota Camry clean. I'm honestly very happy with the results. I mean, it was disgusting. There's mulch on the floorboards, and you saw when I cleaned the tires, just orange gum coming off. It was bad. But I'm super happy with the results. I hope you guys are too. And I mean, if you want to see more content like this, definitely make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and click on the bell notification. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that.